camera fraction.
You know,
All
on
right.
the YouTube video,
Exponent
I
practice.
did it
Okay.
as camera fractions.
He's trying to make a video.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Exponent practice. So you've learned all the rules, but as I was looking through homeworks and looking through stuff last night, right? I realized that there was one rule that you might be still confused on, and it's this rule that says a times b raised to the m power is equal to a to the m, b to the m. Right? Have you not seen this, Michael? Did you watch the videos?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I'm good.
All right. So remember this, when that's next to a parenthesis, when an exponent is next to a parenthesis means multiply. So you're actually multiplying that exponent not times the bases, but times their exponents. This exponent times this exponent. This exponent times this exponent. And what are those exponents? They're ones, right? 1 times m is m, so a to the m. 1 times m is m, so b to the m. So that's pretty easy, right? The thing that I haven't done with you is when you have them in fractions. And I just want you to be sure you understand it. It's not hard. It's not hard. It really isn't hard. It's harder than those. It's harder than these, just because you've got upstairs and downstairs, right? But it's not terrible, right? So let me give you an example. So let's say we have x to the 4th over x to the 9th raised to the 7th power.
Why would you pick 9?
Wait a minute. Oh yeah.
You should pick
Oh yeah, that's
like
fine.
3.
That's fine.
Because that's going to end up as like 6.
I know.
It's multiplied times 7.
X 28 over X. No, and then you have to.
So there's 2 ways to do this, right?
Oh.
There's actually 2 ways to do this. The first way is to go PEMDAS, right, which says what?
Parentheses,
Do what's
exponent.
inside the parentheses first. Can you simplify anything inside the parentheses? That's how I would do it personally. I would do the PEMDAS method because I'm dealing with smaller numbers. I know what 9 minus 4 is really easily, right? But I don't know what 28, I mean, what is that? 63 minus 28, right? I don't know what that is right off the top of my head, right? But I know what 9 minus 4 is right off the top of my head. That's how brilliant I am, right? So I'm going to simplify this. Which are they same bases upstairs and downstairs?
Yeah.
And that's not good, right? Right? We're not simplified yet. So I got to move one of them upstairs or one of them downstairs. What would I do?
Top down.
Top down, right? I got to take the one with the smaller exponent. It comes down, and then it becomes a -4, right? What stays up here?
1 up.
The 1 that was there in front of it, the hidden 1. So suddenly now I have 1 over x to the 5 raised to the 7th power. Right? You see how I did that?
Still kind of hard.
It's still a little hard, but I think this is easier to simplify. You guys, there's so much talking. I think it's so much easier when you simplify what's in the parentheses first. Then my final answer is ready to go. It's 1 to the 7th power, which is wait a minute, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Over x to the 7 times 5 is 35, right?
Oh, that's easy.
1 times
That's
100.
easy,
I like it that way.
right?
My faith is restored.
Okay, so now if we did it the other way,
1 times
Oh no.
okay, now this was way 1.
No.
This is way number 2.
No.
I personally think way 1 is better,
Yes.
but this is, way 2 is legal, and I just want to show it to you. Because way 2 is following this rule exactly. And it's saying, oh, well, 7, parenthesis means times, 7 times 4, so it's x to the 28th power, over 7 times 9, x to the 63 power, right? Now I'm going to have to bring this one downstairs so that because that's the smaller exponent. So I have 1 over x to the 63 minus 28. And I don't know what that is. Well, I do, only because I did it the easy way, and it's x to the 35th, right? But I'd have to figure it out. I could figure it out. It's not that big a deal, but it's 1 over x to the 35th. I think this is way easier, personally. Simplify inside the parentheses first. Now, sometimes, though,
Way one's better.
Go to
You
race.
skip a step.
how many? Let's have a vote. How many people like way 1
Way
best?
one.
Oh, what's
It's
easier?
How many
faster.
people like way 2 better?
Okay,
Way
I'm most
one-
likely to do way
You like way 2 better?
because I'm dumb like that.
Okay, that's
Way
fine.
one's better
Don't preach
because
it
you
down.
skip a
Sorry,
step.
I like way one.
You like way 1 better.
Oh,
Okay.
way one's better because you skip a step.
Gary, don't touch that eraser. Mike needs to take a picture.
Okay, take a picture.
Just touching it. Put it down.
Put it down.
Don't take it. Get your hands in the air.
I'm going to watch you just don't care.
Come on.
We have you surrounded. Your hands in the air.
All right. What if I gave you this?
That's a big parenthesis. Oh, because it's big numbers.
Well, we'll keep it more fun.
Keep it fun and simple. We're not in high school yet, Gary. When we have complicated stuff. Spend like 4 hours working on it. Yes, you do.
All right, here we go. Everybody focus.
I know. Can I do it?
So, yes, London, help me. Walk me through it.
Oh, no.
Okay, Jacob,
Do 1
Jacob,
over 4.
Jacob, you're gonna miss this. You don't.
You gotta do this.
It's gonna be incredible. London's gonna do something amazing.
1 over
I'm
4.
only going to be learning this for like today.
So
And then
2
next year.
goes into 2
1,
once.
quattro.
That's-
Quattro.
And then you move the
That means
C
4.
to the top. That'll be C to the second.
This is gonna go, okay, we're gonna move that upstairs, C to the squared.
Yeah, and then now you have to do 2 times 1 to the first power. So
Can
that'll
we
be
just
1 over 2.
simplify first, Gary, and rewrite it?
So write 1.
Wait, you want me to rewrite it so you can see it, you mean?
No, I mean like rewrite it so that it's easier to tell what's
going
what.
on here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's do that. Let's just,
Yeah.
we've got 1 here, we got 4 here, we got A to the 5th, B to the 10th, C to the 2,
Oh, one,
and
two,
then we have 4,
Okay.
D to the 12th, and
Alright.
we're raising that now to the second power.
Now you have to do 1 to the second power.
Right, so
That'll be
1 times
2.
1 is 1.
1, yeah, being smart. 1.
Never, ever,
I
ever,
know,
ever,
Michael,
ever,
shut
ever,
up.
ever.
Keep moving, that's not
Right,
right.
1 times 1
That'll
is
be
1.
1.
So we don't even have to write the 1.
Okay, and then it'll be A to the 10th.
A to the never, ever, 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 ever multiply the exponent times the base.
A to the 25th.
Yeah, A to the
God,
25th, and then.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry, I apologize.
It's
What did you say? You said A to the 10th, you were right, I'm sorry.
What?
Wait, what?
You.
2 times 5 is 10, right?
And then B. And then
Guys,
B
shh,
to the
too much
20th.
noise, please stop.
Gary, you don't multiply by
Guys,
the base.
what?
I'm confused.
But-
You
but-
don't multiply
but
by the
he
base. How's it
didn't.
10?
I did
by
it.
the exponents.
That's not a base, that's an
By
exponent,
the exponents.
right?
I'm an idiot.
Exponent times
And then
exponent.
B.
So guys, really, give London the respect to let him finish this, okay? Go ahead, London.
And then B to the second 20th power.
Right,
And then, see, I'm drunk. And C to the 4th power
right,
over 8.
No.
What?
What's the exponent?
16.
Yes.
16. Michael, shut up.
16.
And then D to the, I can't see,
Wait.
24.
Yes.
24.
Beautiful. That's
How
right.
did you get 6? No, it's never mind.
4 squared. Right?
Yeah.
Right? All right, that was good. That makes sense? You guys get this, right? It's not hard. It's not hard. All right.
We have 4 minutes. Can we just work on the homework?
Can I erase?
Yes.
All right. So that's all I wanted to. That's all I wanted to cover on exponents. Now, real quickly, there are going to be 2 word problems. Actually, 3 word problems on here. And there's also 2 absolute value problems. Remember absolute value?
Absolute value is
Did you stop the video?
Well, I just thought there's a chance somebody might want this on the video, so I'm going to throw it in.
Okay.
So, the 2 of the word problems are age word problems. Because I know some people are a little not very confident in these, so I wanted to put some in here.
They're so confusing and annoying.
So the key is,
I do the graph.
right, you
It's
do
just
that
I mess up sometimes.
now and whatever, right? So it says if, well, I'm going to do a different one. If it says, what is an easy name?
Me.
Oh.
Anna is 5 years older.
That's an 18 out of S. Is 18.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is 18.
Older than Sue.
18.
All right. How would I write that? I've got Anna
How?
and I have Sue. Yeah, guys, it's too noisy. Please, I only have like 2 minutes left of the class, so I really need you guys to be quiet for a
Sorry,
minute.
Gary.
Anna, so this is my now column, and what is this column going to, oh, go ahead and say yet. But what would I put here? Anna is 5 years older than Sue.
X plus 5 under Anna, X is Sue.
Okay, is your name
Right.
Anna?
Right, beautiful. Now, if I said in 10 years, you know, Anna will be, you know, 5, no, we already have 5 in there. You know, 10
2.
years
2.
more than twice Sue's age. Find their ages now. Find ages, right? What would I do? What's this? Plus 10. And everybody understands that if you, it says, okay, in 10 years, boom. Do not read past in 10 years until this box is completely filled out. That's what I see most people that are confused screwing up on, right? They're trying to get, 10 years more than twice Sue's age. So we've got, you know, I don't know, X plus 5 twice plus 10. That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to get all those numbers in there. That's not where those numbers go, right? That's not where they go. You don't want to read past that in so many years or so many years ago. You stop reading. Does that make sense? You stop. You've got to have this filled out before you read past in 10 years. In 10 years means I'm just going to be adding 10 to everything, right? What's X plus 5 plus 10?
X plus 15.
What's X plus 10?
X plus 10.
How'd you know? That's right. Okay. Now this part right here is going to be, all of this, whatever, is going to be an equation, right? You're going to turn it into an equation. So I know you guys, some of you know this, but I'm just going to do it anyway. Anna, what are we talking about? Are we talking about now or in 10 years? In 10 years. That means I'm using only this information. Whenever I see Anna's name, that's what I'm going to write. Whenever I see Sue's name, that's what I'm going to write. And I'm doing exactly what it says. I'm going to even put my hand on it. I'm going to say, Anna, right? X plus 15. X plus 15 will be. So I did my Anna. What about my will be? What's that? Equals. 10 years more than. 10 years more than. Off to the right. Plus 10, right? Okay, more than twice Sue's age. Here's Sue's age. How do I put twice? 2 parentheses. X plus 10. This is twice Sue's age. All right? Now I have my equation. I'm done. Well, I'm not done, but that's my equation. And then I solve for x, and then I get my answer. And when I solve for x, ironically, even though I was in the x plus in 10 years field, I just solved for her age now, right? Right? Which is very cool. I solved for x.
When you get that, you get negative 15.
Yeah, so
they're not gonna be born for another 15 years.
yeah, but it gives the parents a chance to plan it out, right? Okay. Yes. All right, that's it. Oh wait, I got to give you your homework.
They're gonna be